We're here at Pride Cymru in the heart of Cardiff, celebrating with the rest of the LGBT plus community Cardiff Pride. 25 members of St Augustine said they wanted to be here at Pride today to say that our church is welcoming, inclusive, affirming and welcoming people regardless of their sexuality. We believe that we should be wherever people are, showing the good news of God's love for everyone.
Evangelism is taking that good news to people and where it is. So it's no good just staying in the church and saying that's who we are. That's why we've come here today at Pride, is to show people that the church is out there and that love is love and God loves all people regardless of their race, gender, sexuality or ability.
I was really excited to be part of a church that wanted to have a presence here at Pride. Inclusion is everything at St Augustine's. Everyone is welcome at all times. God loves each of us exactly how we are. He created us exactly how we are, and we don't need to change in order to be a part of His world and for Him to be a part of our world either.
We have to be, as churches, loud and proud in order for LGBT people to understand that they are welcome in our churches. So it means that we have to be noisier about our inclusion than we ever have been, so that just people know that they can come, that they're welcome and that God is for them. To be a part of the LGBT community, Pride Cymru, a much wider community, and see the respect growing between us for what we do from a faith perspective, and what they're doing from a kind of celebrating and being proud of who we are perspective. It's fabulous.